my blue contacts. These are the Azul contacts. I'll have them linked down below. You can find them on my website for $18. So now I'm going to use my favorite foundation. This is the Wetnwild Photo Focus Foundation, and I'm in the color Desert Beige. So I'm just going to blend this in with a beauty blender, and I'm going to get a little bit closer so you guys can see how much coverage this gives me. And it's just a perfect match for my color, and I love the fact that it doesn't make me feel dry or doesn't have my skin looking dry like most foundations do. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'm just going to highlight under my eyes, my nose, my chin, and on my forehead. I usually don't highlight my forehead just because I have a big forehead, for one, and for two, it gets really dry, so I only do this when I'm trying to do like a really beat face type of look, which is the look that I'm going for today. So this is a rare occasion, but yeah. Now I'm going to set my foundation and concealer with the Sacha Buttercup powder. I like to use this as a setting powder for my whole face. So I'll just put it where underneath my contour, and then I'll put a little on my forehead, just all over my face. I don't use a colored powder on my face. This is pretty much it. And then I'll just go in and add some color with my contour kit from Wetnwild. So here's just a little quickie of an eyebrow tutorial. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in chocolate and a small angled brush, and I'm just going to quickly do my brows. So moving on to the eyes, I'm using one palette for my complete eye look, and it's going to be the Colourpop I Think I Love You palette. So all the colors I'll have listed down below in the order that I use them, but this is just like a light, almost a skin tone brown. And then I'm adding a little bit of a darker plum brown into the outer corner. For this look, I'm trying to keep the dark colors close to my lid because I do have hooded eyes and I don't want to look like a raccoon. Also, putting dark colors so high up in your crease can make your eyes look a lot smaller, and I don't want those small anteater eyes because my eyes are small enough. So keeping the dark colors close to the lid, and then just remembering to blend it out with a skin tone brown. Just keep blending. Even when you think you've blended all you can blend, you blend a little more because dark colors can look like you got punched in the eye. So yeah, now I'm gonna highlight with this champagne color. It's the prettiest highlight color I've ever seen in my life, and I'm just gonna blend it out, and I'm going to cut my crease using some concealer from Tarte. This is the Tape Shape concealer, or Shape Tape concealer. Just going in with a black, and I'm blending out the edge of the cut crease that I created because I want it to fade into like a smoky eye. So now I'm gonna use this gold color. I don't know why it looks yellow, but it's like a true gold color, and it's from the Colourpop palette. I'll have it linked down below, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And then here in the inner corner, I'm gonna use the same shade I used under my brow to kind of open up my eyes and brighten them up. Then I'm gonna just continue doing any last minute blending that I need to do, or touch-ups. And after this, I'm going to use my NYC eyeliner. It was only $1, by the way. So the lashes that I'm going to use are also on my website. I'll have it listed down below. I'll have the link so you can purchase them. And the eyeliner that I used underneath my lash line, my lower lash line, is the NYX Electric Green eyeliner. I'll have it listed down below also. I don't know why it's coming up yellow on camera, but it's like a really lime green. Hopefully you'll see it better in the pictures that I post later on. And now I'm going to contour my nose and the rest of my face with my Wet n Wild Duo Contour Kit. It is called Toffee Caramel. So for my highlight, I'm using my Carli Bybel palette, and I just used one of the darker highlight colors and then the lightest highlight color, but the highlight went a little bit too dark for me because, as you can see, my cheek looks bruised. So I just kind of fixed that by getting a beauty blender and then blending it all in together with my foundation and adding a little bit more of a light color, and I was good to go. Lipstick, I'm going to be using a color called Cinnamon. I just put these lipsticks up on my website, and if you want to, you can check them out. I'll have the link down below. The texture is a little bit sticky, but they do last a long time, so it really doesn't bother me. But if you're interested, it'll be listed down below.